everyone to enter our orientation. Please answer our test activity as your attendance. Everyone open cam ha. We're gonna take attendance from our secretary. Please take a screenshot na lang. Miss Jamie, medyo blurry po yung camera niya.
Ma'am, naglalag po kasi ako eh. Wait lang po.
Okay, please fix your camera.
Ma'am, tapos na po ako.
Miss Jamie, tapos ka na po?
Yes
Alright.
po.
Wala pa isang minuto, ba't ang bilis niyo po magsagot? Miss Jamie, that's impossible kasi hindi pa natin nade-discuss yung topic natin for this semester. That is supposed to be a pre-test. Are you cheating?
No po. Ano po ako, advanced study. So, hindi ko po kasalanan if hindi po nila alam yun.
Oh, really?
Okay, so bali ganito po yung naging answer ko.
Nakita ka na namin ngayon.
Po?
Kanina, hindi kita yung camera mo, Miss Jamie. How come okay na siya ngayon?
Bigla po siyang naging okay.
Explain your answer then.
So bali ganito po siya. Yung first question po,